To achieve the ambitions of having a clean city with reasonable catchment natural cover, Kampala Capital City Authority plans to leverage on the public-private partnerships towards its goal of having a clean city resilient to climate change challenges.
With the target of planting over 30,000 trees across the city of Kampala. It also has other components in terms of youth livelihood engagement programs. So we're planning to work with the ABSA, not only just to plant, but also to nurture these trees, because currently as Kampala, tree survival is very important. So with ABSA, we plant these trees, we map the trees, and then come back to maintain the trees.
ABSA Bank Uganda and Kampala Capital City Authority have planted at least 3,000 trees in the KCCA Agricultural Center in Kayanja Wakiso district in a bid to restore the environment in the increasingly industrialized areas.
An initiative to work with preserving our environment. As you know, the environment, as I was saying earlier on, the environment is threatened by development, by growth in populations, etc., and also basically use of, as the numbers increase, you see how many cars we have, fossil fuels being pumped into the atmosphere. So this, we believe, will help a lot in cleaning up the air in Kampala. The role KCCA plays will be very, very important, and that's why we thought that partnership. And they own the land, actually. They own about 10 acres here. So that kind of ownership will help. So KCCA plays that part. We sponsor, we bring the trees here, we plant them, and we work together to make sure that it's not an exercise in futility. You understand?
The trees were planted in the commemoration of the World Environment Day and are to serve as a preserve to environmental challenges like deforestation and the increased weather changes.
But also keeping in line with the development pressure. Because if our trees take long to grow, then we need to plant them early at a mature height so they can grow faster within the community. All are aimed at addressing the climate change effect. Urban areas, we've seen the days have become hotter, the rains have reduced, so which means we need to plant these trees to, first of all, clean the air that we have within the city, but also to improve the cooling of the city. So that's our target.
This exercise will see 30,000 trees planted in the city center to ensure proper filtration of gases produced by factories and vehicles, and also ensure proper implementation of climate conservation modules. Experts believe in the collaboration of the environmental bodies to end encroachment in wetlands and forest reserves. Komagum Rogers and Abdul Nasir Luwan for UBC.